Hey, I'm Karen. This video is about the SalesReport.java class that can be found in section 5.5 of your textbook. We'll look at the different methods involved in the SalesReport.java class, examining how they each work and how they all work together. Follow along by examining code listing 511 in your textbook. The purpose of SalesReport.java is to read a data file containing the sales amounts for 30 days. Sales.txt is the text file example that can be found in your student CD. To the right is listed some of my sample data from my sales.txt file. SalesReport.java uses this text file to calculate total sales and average daily sales. SalesReport.java is a large problem that's solved one piece at a time. The SalesReport class consists of 4 different methods. We have the main method, the getFileName method, the getTotalSales method, and the displayResults method. We'll look at each method and see how they work together. The main method is like a conductor of a concert. It calls the other methods and organizes the results. Shown here is the main method, which calls the other methods to gather information. First, notice that the main method throws IOException. We then declare our variables, get the name of the file, get the total sales from the file, and then calculate the average. We then display the total and the average. Here, our main calls getFileName. The getFileName method is shown here, where it prompts the user to enter the name of the file to open and returns the name entered. We have our method header, the prompt for the user to enter a file name, and then we return the name entered by the user. Once this name is returned, it is stored in the main in the variable filename. Now our main calls the getTotalSales method. It passes file name. The getTotalSales method. This is the method header. Notice that it also throws IOException. We then declare our variables. We open the file using FileReader and BufferedReader and then read the first line of the file. We then have a while loop that goes through each line, gets the total of sales, and then reads the next line. We then close our input file and return the total. The total returned is stored in the variable total sales in the main method. The main method then calculates the average sales and then displays the total and the average by calling the displayResult method. Shown here is the displayResult method. The header, it accepts a double total and a double average. We then use decimal format to format our output, and then we use JOptionPane to display the total and the average sales. Once it returns to the main method, the program ends and the system exits. So here we have our sales.txt file. It contains 30 days of sales reports. That's what it looks like. And here we have our SalesReport.java. Compile it, run it, enter the name of a file containing 30 days of sales amounts. I'm going to say sales.txt. Okay. And the results are the sales for the period is $13,955.26, and the average daily sales were $465.18. So we verified that our SalesReport.java works.